Hello everyone. So from today onwards, we are going to start our macroeconomics part. Okay. So the first unit is national income and its aggregates. Okay. So now we will start from the basic things, basic terms we'll do. Then we will move on to the numerical part. Okay. So here the first basic term which so first let's see what is macroeconomics. In 11th class you might have studied about the microeconomics. Okay, so in microeconomics, we study about the individual unit, individual person, individual household, individual firm. Okay, so the demand and supply, everything related to the individual unit, we study under the microeconomics. Okay, in macroeconomics, we study about the aggregates and averages of the entire country. Okay, like such as aggregates such as national income, total employment, savings, investment, demand, supply, price level, etc. Okay, so when we study these things, these price, demand, savings, employment at the level of the whole country, then it comes under the study of macroeconomics. Okay, so in microeconomics we study about the individual unit, and in macroeconomics we study about the aggregates. Okay, as about the whole country. Now the second topic is factor income or factor payment. Okay, there are two things connected here: factor income and transfer income. Okay, so first let's see the factor income or factor payment. Okay, these are the payments made by producing units to the household for the use of their factor services. Okay, means when firm uses the services of the household, okay, and in lieu of that service firm pays the some amount which we call wages or salary or remuneration. Okay, so what is factor income? The money received by the firm or by any organization after providing the services is called factor income or factor payment. See, both the things are same. Okay, if the person is receiving money, then it will be called income, and if the person is paying the money, then it will be called payment. Okay, so here the firm is paying the money, so for firm it will be called factor payment, and for the household is receiving the money, then for that household it will be called factor income. So both are the same things, it depends on the perception. Okay, so like here we can see here household work for the firm. Okay, household here work for the firm, and firm is paying the money. Okay, so this money is called factor income or factor payment. Why? Because this money, the household has received that this money after providing the services. Okay, this is not the free fund money. Household has worked for some person or any organization, then after working that household has received the money. Okay, so that's why that this money will be called factor income or factor payment. Okay, so काम करने के बदले में जो पैसा मिलता है, इट्स कॉल्ड फैक्टर इनकम और फैक्टर पेमेंट. ओके, now the second thing is transfer income or transfer payment. Okay, this is the just opposite of the factor income or factor payment. These are the payments made by producing firms to the household without use of their services. Here, see here, without use of factor services means household will not work for the firm or for any organization, whether it is government or any organization. Household or any person will not work for that firm, but firm will pay or any organization will pay money to that person or to that household. So here that person or that household is receiving money without providing any services, without working for another person or another firm. So that money is called transfer income or transfer payment. So बिना काम करे जो पैसा मिलता है. Okay, this is called transfer income or transfer payment. Again the same thing, if any organization is paying money, then for that organization it will be called transfer payment. And if the household is receiving money, that for that household, it will be called transfer income. Okay, the basic difference is factor income or factor payment is paid after providing the services, and transfer income or transfer payment is made without providing any services. Okay, now here there is a basic difference here which we can see. Difference between factor income and transfer income: it is received in return of rendering services. Okay, and it is received without providing any services. Example here is wages and rent. Like, we are working for any person or for any organization, and then they are giving us money, the salary. Okay, so our wages, our salary is factor income. Rent, okay, we are uh, giving our house or room to another person, so we are giving services of our room, okay, or our house to another person, and for using that service, that person is paying us money. So then rent will be the factor income for us. And what is transfer income? Gifts, pension, subsidies. We do not work for any organization to receive the gifts, to receive the subsidies. Okay, we are working for another person, and but the subsidies which we receive is without providing any services. Okay, that is the government scheme. Okay, here pension, it is not the retirement pension, it is the old age pension. Okay, the old age people get some pension from the government. Okay, so that pension will be counted here. This is not the retirement pension. Okay, here factor income, it is bilateral payment, means payment is done from the both sides. Okay, one is paying in form of services and one is paying in form of rupees. But here transfer income, it is a unilateral payment, means we are not working for any person, but still, due to some advantages or due to some scheme, that organization is paying us money, paying us subsidies, giving us gifts. Okay, now the most important thing, factor income is included in national income. Okay, when we will calculate the national income in upcoming classes, then we have to include these factor incomes while calculating national income. Okay, but here transfer income or transfer payment is not included in national income. So this is the most important point here, you have to remember this. So it is the earned money, okay, and it is an unearned money. Okay, so this is the basic difference here. This topic comes in your board exams in 2 to 3 marks, like differentiate between factor income and transfer income. Okay, so this type in these type this question can come in your board exam. Okay.